Let us sit together and talk about love tonight. Open up our hearts under soft and glowing light. Tell me all your secrets about the birds and bees, how they dance together in the summer breeze.
Love starts with a spark that grows into a flame. Two hearts beating close and calling out each name. The birds and the bees show us what passion means. Sweet and tender touches in between the dreams.
Let us talk about love without any shame.
How a simple kiss can set the soul aflame.
When the bees are buzzing and the birds take flight,
that is when true lovers hold each other tight.
I wanna hear your thoughts on romance so deep,
the way two bodies move when they lose all sleep.
The birds and the bees teach us natural desire, warm and wild connection that sets the world on fire. Let us share our stories of pleasure and delight.
How love can feel so good in the quiet night.
Every gentle caress is like a magic spell,
making hearts race faster and passion swell.
Talk to me of love and the birds and the bees,
how they come together with such perfect ease.
Your hands upon my skin
send shivers down my spine.
This beautiful connection feels so
very fine.
We can learn from nature
in its sweetest way,
loving one another
at the break of day.
The birds sing their songs
when the feeling is right.
The bees bring the honey on a warm summer night. Let us keep on talking about this thing called love,
how it lifts us up to the heavens above.
No more hiding feelings or holding back the truth.
Let desire flow freely in a private booth.
The birds and the bees know the rhythm of life. They show us how to love without any strife. I love when you whisper what you want from me. Your words ignite the fire
and set my spirit free. Together we discover
every hidden thrill.
Love and the birds and bees
give us
such a thrill.
Let us stay here close
and explore this sweet art,
heart to heart and body,
sharing every part.
This talk about love
feels so warm and true.
The birds and the bees are guiding me,
and you, every kiss and touch
writes a
beautiful song.
In your arms is where I know
I belong.
Let us talk forever
about this magic we feel.